it was reality, and we put on our first regatta today, and I think everybody has to say it was a hell of a regatta. So thank you. Yeah! All right, so the Southport Yacht Club, we got to throw it.
I got a magnetic fix on my compass, a true northern girl on my starboard. She moved down here to escape from the snow. We met on the beach by the harbor. We filled the reefer with lobster and beer, and now we're leaving the slip. We might be slow, but on island time, the journey itself is what makes the trip. Sailing life is what I choose. Imported rum is my kind of booze. I scuba dive and I fish the pylons, Hawaiian style in the Sandwich Islands. At one particular